Hello, friends. The season of love and laughter is almost here. Yes, the winter season. It is just raising its curtains slowly with the end of November and the arrival of December. The weather is so pleasant, not only for us, but also for the plants. That is why winters are always special. The season is very favorable for the flowering plants. They thrive so vigorously, adding vibrance and beauty to our garden. There are many options in these flowering plants during this cold season. You have petunia, you have marigold, you have dianthus, you have snowdrops, you have pansies, you have calendula, you have chrysanthemum, you have so many roses. So I know most of the home gardeners like me must have visited the nursery to bring home these flowers and add positivity to their life. These winter flowers, they also symbolize the resilience and hope and teaches us that whether it is summer, winter or any of the harsh conditions, life always finds its way. And that nature doesn't go dormant completely how much the temperature drops. So there are many winter flowers which grows well in this winter season. Do mention in the comment section what flowers you have bought for this winter season and how do you nurture them. Okay, do like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel.